The Finder is the most important part of your Mac because it lets you get to all of your files and programs. Even though it might seem simple, there are a lot of secret gems and features that can make your experience much better. We will look at 7 very useful tips and tricks in this video to get the most out of your Mac's Finder. Finder is macOS's built-in file manager. It lets you organize, browse, and control your files and groups. Finder may look like a simple tool, but it has a lot of secret features and shortcuts that can make you much more productive and speed up your work. 1. Change column widths quickly. The column view is one of our favorite ways to work with files. Here are 2 quick tips that will help you get the most out of it. When you open a new Finder window, if the column width is too small to see the file names, double-click the bottom of the column divider. The width will then grow to fit the largest file name. If you want to change the column width by hand, holding down the Option key is also helpful. Once you do this, all the columns in the same window will be changed to the new size. This size will also be used for all future Finder windows. Choose a folder that will open in a new Finder window. If you work with files in a certain folder a lot, you might want to make it the usual folder that opens with every new Finder window. In the Finder menu bar, click Preferences. Under the General tab, you'll see a drop-down menu that says New Finder Windows Show. Choose one of the choices or click Other to choose a different location. Making changes to the sidebar. The Finder tab makes it easy to get to the folders you use most often. Just drag and drop groups into the sidebar to make it fit your needs. You can also get rid of things by right-clicking on them and choosing Remove from Sidebar. With this adjustment, the places you visit most often will always be just a click away. A quick look at the previews. Use the Quick Look tool to save time. If you choose any file and press the spacebar, you can see what's inside it without having to open an app. This works for pictures, papers, and even videos, and it's a quick way to see what's inside a file without opening any other programs. Search more deeply. The search function in Finder goes beyond just looking for file names. You can narrow down your search with Boolean operators like AND, OR, and NOT. You can also use them to look within specific file contents or metadata. Enter the search term Report or Contents Report to find all files that have report in their name or in their content. Change the view options. Finder lets you change how your file lists look by giving you different view choices. You can change the size of the icons, see samples of files, and show or hide files. In the Finder menu bar, click on the View menu to get to these choices. Join all open Finder windows together. Finder windows that are taking up too much of your screen can be quickly merged into one window as tabs. To merge all the windows in Finder while it is open, just click Window in the menu bar. That's all for the video today. I hope you liked our video. If you want to see more, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon.